hell, Jason, Boris away! That's unfortunate, isn't it? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Antony and in today's video, I'm still in LA. So I'm here for the next few days and I'm doing a little vlog series on what goes on behind the scenes in a fashion job. And one of the main things that we do as designers is inspiration shopping. And today I'm here in LA and for the rest of the week doing an inspiration shop. So I thought I'll bring you along day by day and show you what goes on, so you can understand what you will have to do if you become a fashion designer and go on these inspiration trips. Now in yesterday's video we went around Santa Monica, we went around Abbot Kinney, and we also went to a couple of department stores. Well, not really department stores, it was more like, what was it called? It was like a Westfield. We went to Century City Westfield, which was like an outdoor kind of shopping centre, and all of them were really good, and we got some really good shopping. And in all honesty, Santa Monica for me was the best and the highlight of the day. So if you want to go and watch that video, go and watch it. And if you're new here, hello, my name's Antony. I'm a fashion designer with over 10 years experience, working in both high-end fast fashion and branded design. And this channel is dedicated to helping you become the best fashion designer possible, while also giving you a little sneak peek behind the scenes views on what we do day to day. Now today we are going to go to the art district in LA, and then we're also going to drive over to Palm Springs and do that area as well. I've never been shopping in Palm Springs, so I don't really know what to expect, but hopefully it'll be good, and hopefully there'll be some really good key kids wear, there'll be some really good women's wear, and there'll also be some good menswear. I'm a menswear designer, that's my main focus, but I am on a trip to look at the whole of the brand holistically and try and figure out the direction that the brand will want to take going forward for spring summer 23. So that is like a year in advance. So yeah, let me show you my outfit. Okay, so currently this is what I'm wearing. I think I'm going to wear with these shoes and obviously my Adidas socks, but I do have a different colourway of this that is a little bit more poppy. Let me try that on and show you. So this is the coral one. Well, it's not coral, it's more of an orange, and I do really, really like it, but I think I might stick to the other one. Okay, so this is it with the bag. I think I'm just going to go with this. It feels like quite light and fresh and airy. Perfect. And the weather is going to be like 22, 23 degrees in LA, 30 plus in Palm Springs. So I think I need to be a little bit more cool and comfortable. Alright, okay, so I'm going to go and get breakfast. Okay, so we've just finished at breakfast now and I'm full. I've had to have like a takeaway box because I am really, really full. What we're gonna do now is just nip back to the hotel, drop stuff off. Shops aren't opening until about 11 anyway, so dropping all this stuff off, and then we're gonna head over to the art district and look around there. Really, really exciting. Bit of drama just happened though. Like, walking down the street, this guy at a bus stop looked at one of my colleagues. Jason's in a vest, and it's not as though it's a revealing vest. And this guy looked at him, pointed, and said, "Oh, where are we? In Italy?" And I was like, "No, we're in LA." Obviously, just having a bit of banter, a bit of jokes. And he pointed at Jason and was like, "What is going on, Jason? You are setting it on fire today. First you've got all this, and now, bloody hell, put them shoulders away." God, yeah, so I was walking down the street, and this guy pointed at Jason and basically called him a and now, Jason's setting the whole world on fire with his shoulders. Bloody hell, Jason, Boris away! So we're getting to the art district, and we're gonna have a lovely time there. You are. Okay, so we've just got to the art district now, and we're gonna go to a few different shops and just figure it out, and then if it's good, we'll probably stay here a little bit longer, or if it's not quite right for us, then we'll head to LA. This way.
The shop and it was called Juice. It looked very menswear from what I could see from the outside, but I just thought it looked quite edge.
Okay. Oh, here comes Jason with his bloody shoulders out. So first shop that we went in was the one I've just shown you, but didn't actually buy anything for Whit, but I did buy something for myself as like a mini birthday present. So really nice trainers. I'll show you them later because I didn't actually film when I was getting them. So oh honey, oh honey. I mean, it's 30 degrees heat and these jokers are walking around full medieval gear. Your outfits are amazing!
Thank you!
What an absolute liar. I've just told them their outfits are amazing after calling them jokers. This is me and my waddling. Oh, don't get my phone. It was very ominous when you were both walking towards me with cameras like... Ah! Like what I can only imagine is like a pee hole. It's really not though, it's just... What? That's unfortunate, isn't it? Ah, Dover Street was quite good, saw some nice little bits in there.
Did you go to the market in London?
Yeah, I've been a couple of... Well, I haven't been a lot, but I've just been a couple of times. No, where's that?
Oh my god, and the Haymarket?
No?
You have to go.
So the plan now then is to go back to the car, then we're going to drive back over to the other side where we were before to see if it's open.
Yeah.
If not, then Palm Springs. Literally, we've just walked in a massive circle and we could have just come straight out of here. You are joking me, like a literal 180. No, 360. We're going in. Woo! That was a really cute shop, really good for like home bits and bobs, but also for colour. Again, seeing a lot of that coral around, and then we bought some little cards and things to give inspiration for colour palettes for like Valentine's Day and stuff. So we're going one more shop around this area and then we're going to head to Palm Springs. Okay, so quick pit stop at Burger King. I don't think I've had an American Burger King, but it should be nice. And then we're gonna head over to Palm Springs and sort of do some shopping over there. But I think considering like how much we've still got to do, it might not be a full stop for lunch. So I think that's why we're just gonna have a snack here.
There's a McDonalds over the road, get something there.
Oh, so we're not gonna, you don't want to get food here?
Well, we want to eat and use the rest.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, so we're going McDonald's now, we're not Burger King, just to get a little snack before we head over to Palm Springs. Thinking ice cream, maybe a milkshake, some chicken nugs, and then we're on our way. I'm gonna have my dessert before I actually have my main. I know that's naughty, but you know, this was meant to be a hot fudge sundae, but I don't understand because it's not hot fudge. Okay, bit of a change of plan. We are now no longer going to Palm Springs. It's going to take us like 2 hours to get there. It was already 3:30 when we started out, and now the shops are closing at like, what time was it? 5?
I think it was between 5 and 6.
Yeah, so we just won't have enough shopping time there. So now we're going to go to the Westfield Century City, close to Boulevard.
Yeah.
So that's where we're going now. So hopefully there'll be some shops there. We might do some more
Department store.
Well, we're doing the department store, but then like I also want to. I might go and have a look at like Zara, H&M, and stuff like that, just to as a barometer. High street stores. That's what I was trying to say. We're going to look at more high street stores as well. Also high end, because I think they've got like designer brands there as well.
Yeah.
So it's not just all high street. So yeah, that's where we're heading now. Okay, so we are finally here at City Century Mall, and I think we're just going to look for a few different places to go. It's a shame about Palm Springs. Unfortunately, we couldn't get there in time to actually do any shopping while we're on the way. But you know what? Things work out for the best, so let's see what we can find here. Reason these stairs aren't working, I'm a bit. It's quite cool though. So I thought I'd just pop in H&M and see actually what's going on here compared to what's going on in the rest of the market. Let's have a look. Interesting. I mean, I'm not going to buy anything from here, but it's interesting to see what is actually going on. I mean, there's a different approach to like materials and fabric than it's been in the past, and it kind of feels a little bit more natural, organic, and the ways that they're doing the treatments and washes. It feels like it's a step away from how it used to be in fast fashion for more of this more natural approach. But there's nothing here compared to what I can get back home anyway, so it's just good to see though the difference, or the lack of difference. So I thought I'd pop into Bloomingdale's. It seems like it's the biggest shop here. And I've lost all of my group, by the way. I'm just wandering around on my own. So all men's is on 1, which I thought was a level up. It's not, it's the ground floor. It's different in the UK, so we say ground floor level 1, 2 and 3, but in America it's like 1, 2, 3. Just have to get used to different things really. Don't know why, I find department stores really difficult to shop in. I just feel like it's very cluttered and it's not, it is curated, but it doesn't feel like as curated as when you go in like a standalone store. It's almost like it's hot picks from the brand, but I don't know, I never feel like there's much consistency between the brands or anything. Oh look, Ted Baker. I used to design for Ted Baker. That was like 6 years ago though, so. Oh, okay, we are now back at the hotel, and wow, today was really, really good. We found so much stuff, like a whole bag full. I've used this bag from yesterday, but so many great, like, colours, so many great fabrics. Like, look at that. It's like literally a amazing bunch of stuff. Really nice washes, really nice colours, really nice fabrications, really cool shapes, like honestly everything you want. Again, a lot of corals, some really beautiful blues, some really nice stripes and tie-dyes, slubs, maules, you know, it really kind of hones in that that is a key fabric for spring summer 23. Really beautiful swim products with easy stripes but still really cool colours. You know, I was hoping to find a little more coral in the swim, but I didn't find it, but I did find it in the t-shirt, so it's fine. I think what I'm gonna do now is quickly get changed, and then we're gonna go out to get some dinner at a local burger place called Hamburger Mary's, which also has drag queens there, so very excited to go and watch them. But that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy cards and vectors to help you in your everyday design life, and it really helps support this channel. Otherwise, I'll see you here every Thursday with a brand new video, and don't forget to check in next week to see the final shopping day where we're going to go to Melrose, flea markets and all of that sort of stuff, so very exciting for tomorrow. But yeah, otherwise, see you next time. Alright, thanks, bye, tra tra tra, bye.